And this is the electric lunchbox. This is what it looks like. I've already opened it and put everything outside, as you can see. We have a little insulated bag to put everything in. You have the main heating element in here. You've got the two plugs on the bottom, one for DC, the other for mains. Nice little section here so you can put some odds and sods in it if you want to put some meat or something in on rice. You have instruction manual, mains power supply, that's a cable of course, and you have here, this is your cigarette lighter cable for your car. This is the main stainless steel tray. It just simply fits in here, and that little bit goes in there as well. This is the lid. Has a little compartment on the side where you have a spoon and a fork. All fits together quite nicely. You just simply pop it on top, snap it all together, and there you go, little carry box. And it all packs neatly into this little carry case. Now I've got the lunchbox here, and it's currently nice and cool. Let's get that on so you can see. Not very hot in the bottom. I've got 500 ml of water. And as you can see, it's not heated water. And what we will do is turn it on. So I'll just put the power on to the little lunchbox here. I'll be putting the lid on it, and we will come back in half an hour and see how warm this lunchbox gets. So let's open this thing up now. It's been half an hour. I can already feel the heat on the top of the lid here. So let's see what we've got. Everything is in the 70s. I am very impressed. This thing is heating up very fast, and obviously it will keep food nice and warm. I am very impressed with the overall quality of this electronic lunchbox. It works as expected. Once you put the lid on, the food is nice and secure in here, and it heats up very fast, and obviously it'll keep this temperature all day. So it definitely gets a thumbs up from me.